In this video, you will see how to insert image in Word full page like this. It's very easy. First, you need to go to the Insert tab, go to Picture and select the picture from your computer and insert it into the Word document. Now you will get something like this. If you try to stretch this image, as you can see, you can stretch it but cannot move it to fill this area of the page. So to fix this problem, you need to right click on the image, go to the wrap text and then select the option behind text because we want to have text in the front of the image as well. After doing this, click on the image and now we need to fill this image with the exact dimensions of the paper. So to see the paper size, we need to go to the layout tab and under the size you will see the option of your current paper size. So here it is 21.59 centimeter by 27.94 centimeter. You will need to note down the dimensions of your paper. Once you do that, double click inside the document on your picture and here you will see the option of height and width. You need to untick this log aspect ratio and then enter the height. For example, it was 27.94 and press enter. Enter the width, so it was 21.59 and enter. Now this image is still not aligned. To align this, go to the align option and select the option align to page. This is very important. This should be ticked. If not ticked, just select this option, then go back to align, click on align center and again go back and this time select align middle. So now the image will be very properly aligned with the page and will fill up the page entirely. You can also now click on the image and type whatever you want in front of the image. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.